And Mark, thank you so much for joining us on WION. What the ECB's rate hike is doing to the global market seems to be the main question. Can you elaborate on that for us?
Well, they are in a very tricky spot because of the inflation issue. Obviously, they have prioritized the inflation issue, and it's very hard for them not to do it at this moment with exemplary inflation rates. But then again, they did. It will be interesting to see what Christine Lagarde, the president of the European Central Bank, is saying in a few minutes, because how she sort of in the type of balancing act she has to play, how she phrases it, because it seems like they will probably might not be able to raise interest rates so much further on. And if she signals that might give the market some sort of, there will be market reactions to that as well.
Do you think the ECB was right, especially now when the global banking sector is in turmoil?
Well, possibly yes, because I think Credit Suisse is a bit of a special case. They are the weakest link in Europe right now, and I think they had so many troubles before. So this extra problem was one problem too many. They had profitability problems due to a large fall in both assets under management and fall in bank deposits. And they had high-risk clients, and you were mentioning some of the big shareholders have been pulling out. So this was one problem too many. So it's not necessarily so that the other big banks are in trouble, and it might even be the case that the big banks might benefit from this, because the markets will now sort of look around and take out the other weak links, and there will probably not be another big weak link as big as Credit Suisse. So this would be smaller companies like Swedish Klarna, for example, might get into trouble, but smaller companies. And so actually the industry concentration for the big banks, that might be even bigger going forward. So the big banks might end up, as they usually do, actually in a better spot.
For joining us on WION, and of course we'll be following this story very closely. We look forward to speaking to you again very soon.
Thank you.